Hello class, I'm going to show you real quickly how you're going to copy the information for today's assignment and create a PowerPoint post. So first thing we're going to do is we're on that page that says assignment for analysis number 1. We're going to go to the section where we can just simply drag and we're going to hit Control Copy. From there you're going to open up Office 365 on here. I'm going to do it in a separate window because I have a different account. We're then going to click on PowerPoint. Okay, you can choose a blank presentation, or if you want to be creative and use your own, you can. I'm just going to do blank for this purpose. This is a title page, so I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to insert a new slide. I'm just going to make it a blank slide. Add slide. From here, I'm just going to click on it and go Control V. Boom! It shows up right here as such. And once we click on it, we can just do star and start putting in information. And continue so on and so forth until you answer all those questions. Once it's ready to go and you've created it, you can rename it, do go slide, and then you can share it. Share it, you're just going to copy this link here, hit on the copy button, and then when you go back to the assignment and submit, you will simply click that little copy thing and put it in submission. Okay? Hope that helps out.